South Korea, the leading country of technology. Brother is at the center of the technology. Brother Corporation. Brother has made endless development with advanced technology and capital strength. Brother has made unstinting investment in expanding the state of the new production facility to stay ahead of the competitors. Such production capacity has allowed Brothers to promptly supply the high-quality product with consistency. Especially, only perfect products through strict quality management and inspection are released, and Brother is contributing to achieving the customer satisfaction through quick service. Input structure is very safe and convenient to work on. It has become more powerful as it can pull from 4 directions: right, left, top, and bottom. Reverse rotation can be done manually and automatically. It can protect the machine. Especially, Brothers sawdust machine products are structurally designed in a very strong and safe way, and in a way for customer to get the products they want in any working condition. You can carry out the work by using various materials, including wood slab, wood log, and others. You can save cutter exchange costs. Because of the cutter being double-bladed, cutter change is easy and convenient. We promise you high-quality sawdust production. Save your time. Rise your profit. Brother Limited.